AI is going to take away jobs.
Artificial intelligence is coming for your job.
That's on everybody's mind. I would provide a counter argument.
35 years in NTPC, TCS, LTI, scaled Mindtree digital business to over 400 million and scaled the company to 7,000 plus employees.
But now we are in a different era altogether, Agentic AI. So what this whole journey has taught me is that learning never stops. I can code myself, but I didn't want to code it. So I used all the latest AI tools available. My next level attrition in all these 35 years has been 0.
But you moved from US to India. Usually people don't come back.
He came rushing to the podium and said, "You know what you have done?" I was taken aback for a moment. Okay, that I have done something wrong.
For a young graduate who just passed or in a career of 2 to 3 years, for you, what do you want to suggest to those kind of people who are going into the career?
They should